This lesson, we're going to learn about the letter C and the sound that it can represent. So here is an uppercase C. We write it like this. It's just a big curve. Once more, a big curve. Let's do it with our finger in the air. A big curve. That's the letter C. And a lowercase c is just a little bit smaller, but it's the same curve. A big curve. Try it with me. Big curve. So we start at the top, and then we go down to the bottom. When we make an uppercase C with our body, here's one way to do it. I see the big curve. Do you see it starts with the kid's hands, arms, shoulders, torso, hips, all the way to the knees. There's that big curve. We just kind of tuck our feet under. Big curve. When we make the sound for C, it's a little bit different because a lot of the letters we've talked about so far, they kind of sound like their name, right? Like, for example, the letter B represents the sound B. Those kind of sound similar. The sound that we're going to talk about that C represents doesn't sound like C. It's different, so we have to really pay attention. The sound that we're going to talk about that C can represent is K. K. So let's look at what this person's mouth is doing. Our mouth is open. K. And we make a sound. I feel it all the way in the back of my throat. Do you feel it too? Try it. K. K. All the way in the back. K. K. This is the sound we're going to talk about that C represents today. K. So let's take a look. Here are some words that can make the K sound that begin with C. What is this? This is a car. That begins with the letter C, the K sound. Ooh, this looks yummy to eat. A cake. We have a cup. Do you know this animal? This is a cow. Oh, this cute animal. This is a cat. Or we could even say the same sound, not the same letter, but we could also say the K sound for kitten. These all say K at the beginning. That's the sound that we say, that we hear. And when we write it with the letter C. So the way that we do our card is it looks like this. C, cat, K. C, cat, K. You try. C, cat, K. That's really going to help us. And here's C in sign language. It looks a lot like the way the letter looks. We just make our hand that direction. So we just take our hand. We could start with like where it would be if we were doing a high five. We turn it to the side and just curve our fingers. So we have that same curve. C, cat, K. And that is all you need to know today about the letter C and the sound that it can represent, which is K. So keep practicing and keep being awesome and keep getting smarter. And I will see you soon. I love you.